Hi, Kuya Ma'am Angelina! Congrats! Kinakabahan ako na hindi ko alam parang maikot yung chat ko.
Oh, 15 years sila together, di ba?
Just don't do what they used to do. And I love you. It's just a game for two. Every little thing that I
Since 2017, ano kasi yan, parang pagkapas ako ng board exam, dinala niya ako dito, first time ko lang dito. Tapos, yan, dito sa church na to, lagi kami nagsisimba. Tapos, dun, yung go-to resto namin, yung kakainin namin mamaya. So, since 2017, ano siya, dun ako nag-work.
When always things that we always could. Now I love, love.
Hello, narito po si Mayor. So, ang kanyang barong.
Huwag kalimutan iboto sa susunod na election.
Means the world to me. So girl, I try.
Right moment na siguro to.
Iyak ka na.
Hindi. Hindi.
Basta, malalaman.
Malaman na lang mamaya or bukas.
We can be happy, baby. If we try. Sorry. If
Okay pa ang ating Fiesta Barong. Fiesta Barong.
happy, baby. If we try. Yeah. I wanna hold you tighter. If we try. Come on. So
I truly believe that marriage is beautiful when you're with the right person. I know it won't be easy, but we've already faced challenges over the last 15 years. And they've only made us stronger. That's why I know that whatever comes our way, we'll get through it together. Bago pa lang kami, nakuha niya yung number ko from a classmate. A few weeks later, nag-I love you na siya. So, bata pa kami nun. And, alam mo yun, wala pa yun sa isip ko. So, dead ma. Tapos, up until third year, he tried again. Tapos yun na.
So, anong advice mo sa mga nilabas din?
Wag lang kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Ayun lang. Try lang. Until you succeed. Mapakasalan mo.
In another life I said I'd find you, and that will be okay. Oh God, your heart
Hirap maging artista.
face to face. Oh, I don't wanna see you heartbroken.
Bakit, Leila, I know that you have learned a lot of things in the last 15 years that you're together. So now it's a time for you to enjoy. Sige, para meron kami mga travel partners. Kaya lang, kayo magbabayad. Kayo magbabayad, ha?
So hold on.
Enjoy na lang.
Don't you ever, congratulations.
Congrats, Leila and Victor.
I will find you and take you home. A sacred place with a beating
Congrats, guys! Torreya forever!
and Victor. I don't wanna see you heartbroken. You don't deserve to cry. There's a billion different fish in the sea. Forget those other guys. And if you hear this, know I'm alive. Looking for love.
15 years na ito ay panibagong simula sa ating buhay. At nandito ako habang buhay sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much.
Tapos kahapon, pagbukas ng door ng simbahan, sobrang saya ko. Bigla akong na-realize na, eto na, kakasal na ako.
Today, I vow to love you wholeheartedly, to celebrate your victories as if they were my own, to carry your burdens when they become too heavy, and to remind you every day that you'll never have to face life alone. I love you so much.
To my wife, my love, my best friend. Ito na ang panibagong yugto ng ating buhay. Ko sa sarili ko na nandyan ka, mahal na mahal kita. Lagi tayong magsasama.
I know you will be a very good and responsible parent in the future.
Yeah.
So, Kuya,
Thank you.
Kahit tagal ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang pala. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.
Sana at saka palaging malusog at
Tingin ka daw sa akin.
maging masaya sa buhay.
Who would have thought that a 12-year-old boy who had the courage to tell me I love you, just a few weeks after meeting me, and the same 15-year-old boy who had the courage to ask my father's permission if he could date me, would be the man I'm going to spend the rest of my life with.
Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw.
Perfect day, perfect moment, perfect time.
Ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw.
Another goal. Another goal. Achieve natin yan.
It's been 15 wonderful years, and through every season of life, you've been my constant. You've always shown me what unconditional love is, and you have a way of making my life easier, because my comfort and well-being have always been your priority.
Sayakap ng iyong hiwaga. Sayakap ng iyong
Ahalay ko, gagabayan ka, at ipagpapatuloy kita nang higit sa lahat ng mas mamahalin kita habang buhay.